Welcome to our Kindergarten Project Approach 2026. Today, our young learners proudly present what they have discovered, explored, and created. This year, our students learn through hands-on experiences, planting, observing, and taking care of their crops. Each level worked with different plants. Preschool with rice, K1 with green onions, K2 with morning glory, and K3 with Chinese kale and sprouts. Our preschool children explored how rice grows, from tiny grains to green shoots. They learned through play, sensory exploration, and teamwork. Kindergarten 1 observed how green onions grow quickly. They practiced measuring, comparing sizes, and recording daily changes. In Kindergarten 2, students planted morning glory. They explored what plants need: sunlight, water, and care. They also documented their learning through drawings. Kindergarten 3 learned about fast-growing sprouts and leafy vegetables. They harvested, tasted, and even helped prepare simple dishes. To celebrate their hard work, students performed songs, dances, and short presentations. These performances reflect their confidence, creativity, and understanding. It was a meaningful moment for parents to see learning journey.
Thank you for joining us in celebrating learning through doing.
Together, we grow
Explore
and create with fun.